with an 8 megapixel camera, dual-core 1.4 GHz cycle-clone processor, and a non-removable battery LiPo 1810 mAh battery. OnePlus 2 listed as the 9th with a 16 megapixel camera, quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53 and quad-core 2 GHz Cortex-A57 processor with a battery life of 3300 mAh capacity. The 8th listed is the Motorola Moto X 3rd generation. Moto X devices have done a good job, and the 3rd generation is expected to come with a Snapdragon 815 or 820 instead of the current Snapdragon 810. HTC One M9 has already came out and we list it as the 7th best smartphone in the world with a 20.7 megapixel camera, quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53 and quad-core 2 GHz Cortex-A57 processor, and a battery life of 2840 mAh LiPo. The LG G4, the 6th listed with a 16 megapixel camera, hexa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A57 processor and a battery life of 3000 mAh. The Sony Xperia Z4, the 5th listed with a camera of 20.7 megapixel, quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53 and a quad-core 2 GHz Cortex-A57 processor and a battery life of 3300 mAh capacity. The Samsung Galaxy S6 coming listed the 4th with a 16 megapixel camera, quad-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53 and quad-core 2.1 GHz Cortex-A57 and packing a battery life of 2550 mAh non-removable capacity of battery. Samsung Galaxy Note 5 listed the 3rd, which is expected to feature a 4K 6-inch AMOLED screen of 743 pixel density with a power of Exynos 7420 chipset cores of Cortex-A57 and 4 other cores of Cortex-A53. We list the 2nd as the best, the iPhone 6s, which is a very good future smartphone device from which we expect to use a 2 GB of LPDDR4 memory, which means this memory is twice faster than the current iPhone 6 LPDDR3 memory and also would consume less power. The number 1 best smartphone we presume is going to be the Samsung Galaxy S7, which probably is going to be the best choice. The new Galaxy S6 is just a great device, is a beast, people are loving it. Very fast, smooth and nice. So we expect rumors for the Galaxy S7 as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, stay tuned.